Here's how to upload photos on Google Drive and share the link in iPhone. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can upload photos on your Google Drive and share the link in the end. So make sure you stick around till the end. First step, just basically open up your Google Drive. So I'm just gonna search it up right over here. You can just type in Drive and it will show up. And here, as you can see, this is what Drive actually looks like, and you just gotta go ahead and press the option of plus right over here in the corner. You'll be able to see it right below the files, and just basically press on that, and you'll see some other options just like scan document, take photo, upload file, and etc. But you just gotta go ahead and press on the option of upload file because we're going to upload a picture. Just basically go ahead and do that, and then it will ask you if you want the photos and videos from your gallery or photos, or you want to browse them. Just go ahead and simply press on photos and videos, and right over here it will show you these, all of them. So now you just got to go ahead and find the folder that you want to upload the videos of. And right over here, in my case, I'm just going to do this, and then I'm just going to go ahead and upload this picture right over here, and then press upload. So here, as you can see, it's saying processing uploads. So we just gotta wait until it's uploading. And here, as you can see, this is our image, and it's basically done. Let's just restart, and it's just gonna refresh, and once it's done, it's just gonna go away. So it might take some minutes, and yeah, here we go. The picture has been uploaded, so you just gotta go ahead and find or locate the picture. So let me quickly see where is that picture. It's pretty hard to find the picture, but yeah, there we go. This is a picture. That's the picture that I uploaded right now. So you just gotta go ahead and press on these three dots right next to it, and then it will say share. So you just gotta go ahead and press the option of share, and here you just gotta go ahead and press three dots, and then manage access, and then go for restricted only, and then go with anyone with the link. And after doing that, just basically copy the link. Now you basically you can share the link just like I'm gonna do it, and by just pressing paste, it's just gonna take me to the Google. I haven't logged in, but it's still gonna show me the picture anyway. And here we go. So yeah, this is actually it on how you can upload photos on Google Drive and share the link. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.